Happy morning, children. Hope you all doing good and safe. Today we are going to see about robo programming. Using your mobile phone, we cannot practice the functions of robo mind. So, we are going to use different app which will perform the functions of robo mind. Is that clear, children? Come, let's see now. The black color screen is called a script panel. Already we have seen the script panel, the run panel, message panel and word panel. We all remember, children? So, now we are going to write the script. We are going to use our commands to complete the program. So, in the script panel, you can see to the left side the numbers. It is a line number of the each commands, which will help you to identify where the error occurs. So, when the error comes in the program, the error message will be shown in the message panel along with the line numbers. Is that clear, children? So, you all familiar where the message panel will be shown in the RoboMind. The message panel will be shown just below the run panel in the RoboMind. Okay. Now, our programmers, we are going to paint alphabet A, or we are going to write alphabet A. So, the robo will perform to paint alphabet A. In the first line, we are mentioned what the robot has to do. So, this is a question of the program. So, before writing the question, we have to mention as symbol as paint A, which means the first line just for viewing the programmer. It will not get executed. Action நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது அந்த லைன் வந்து எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகாது, ஐ மீன் ரன் ஆகாது. ஓகேவா? அது வந்து ஜஸ்ட்டு ப்ரோக்ராமருக்கோ இல்லை யூஸருக்கோ வந்து வியூ பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் அது வந்து நம்ம ஆஸ் சிம்பிள் நம்ம பயன்படுத்துகிறோம். பிஃபோர் ரைட்டிங் த டெக்ஸ்ட் ஒரு லைனை எழுத்தும்னா நம்ம ஆஸ் சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார் வியூவிங். ஓகே, the second line we have mentioned paint white. So we are asking the robot to select a brush in white. Is that clear, children? Here in the last class we have seen the RoboMind is a case sensitive. So you can see here paint white. Paint is a smaller, then white is a capital. Again, other letters are smaller. So, it is a case sensitive. So, carefully you have to type the comments in the script panel. So, in the next line, we have mentioned forward 3 steps. So, 3 is nothing but number of times. So, 3 times we are asking the robot to forward. Is that clear, children? So, we are asking the robot to move forward 3 steps. So, next one, right, open and close bracket. We are asking the robot to turn right. Then, forward 2 steps. Asking the robot to forward 2 steps. Then, right, open and close bracket. Again, we are asking the robot to turn right. Then forward 3 steps. We are asking the robot to take 3 steps forward. Again, we are asking the robot to take 1 step backward. Then we are asking the robot to turn west 2 steps. Oh, is that clear, children? After completing your program, you have to click the play button which will be available in the run panel. So run panel will shown just below the script and world panel in the RoboMind. Have you all remember the last class we have seen? Okay. Now in the world panel, the robot will draw alphabet A in white. So that will be the output. Come, let's practice the functions of RoboMind using different apps. Children, directly go to Play Store from your mobile screen. In the search box, type RoboMind Programming app. You can see list of app in the group. Select and install Programming for Kids -Learning Code. Programming for Kids -Learn Coding. Just install in your mobile phone, children. After installing, directly go to your mobile screen. In the mobile screen, you can see the installed app. Here we are going to use remote control method which we have studied in the RoboMind. We have seen two methods to write a script. That is, one using script panel we have to type manually. The another way is using remote control. Here in this app, we are going to join the dots by seeing the preview images. Here we are going to use a remote control method. The script cannot be created automatically in a text format, but it will be created automatically by clicking the image format. Come, let's see. Click on the app, children. The app gets open now. Here we are going to see first two levels. First two things, that is functions and sequence. We are going to complete all the levels which are available under functions and sequence. Click and get inside, children. Okay, here you can see under function, you can see number of levels. Just to complete, children, all the levels successfully and go to next one. Click on first level. Okay, here you can see back button to go to home page. By seeing the preview image, you have to create preview image which is shown in the left side. You have to bring the same image to the right side by using remote control. By clicking the button. Once you click the button, the scripts are created in the panel. But the scripts are created as a button format, not as a text format. Once you complete, you can click the play button and you can run the output. You can execute the script and you can see the output. Come, let's see now. So I am going to take to the right side. So click on right. Then I am going to click on down button. Again I am going to take right. Then again I am coming down. Once you complete, click on play button, children. Get see the output. Is that clear? When you complete without mistake level 1, you are allowed to move to level 2. Just click to level 2. Okay. Here again you have to start where the pencil is placed. From there you have to start. Okay. Now I am going to come down first. Then I am going to take left. Then I am again coming down by clicking on the button. Then again I am going to take left. Again down. Again I am going to take left. Once you complete the setting up the script, just click on the play button. Okay. So successfully you have completed 2 levels. Like that, children, please complete all 15 levels which are given in the list. Then move on to next one. That is a sequence. Click on sequence. Again here you can see 15 levels. Just this also practice, children. Come, let's get into level 1. Now we are going to draw square box. So I am going to take first one to the right side. Next I am going to apply a down button. Then to the left side. Then I am going to upper button. Okay. Now click on go button. So you have completed level 1 successfully. Now let's go on to second level. Please take left twice, then down. That is forward. From there you have to take forward. Down means in the RoboMind it is a forward 1 step. So click. Is that clear, children? Okay. Like that, please go and practice all 15 levels and get practice the directions and the commands. That is forward, backward, left or right. Just to practice, children, get familiar with the commands. We will see about loops in the following class. Have a fun, children.